Okay, now I will show you that the remote control does not work. Here is my TV remote. Okay, look, the batteries is okay and it's working. Okay, now I take out the batteries from here and put on the remote of the system. Okay, I will put it like that. 1, 2. Okay. Close it. Now I will try menu. No, doesn't work. I will try to push the 2 button. No, doesn't work. Doesn't work at all. Maybe I will try to flip the batteries. Okay, I will try to flip the batteries to put this like that. Okay, let's find out if it's working. I will try now. Menu. Does not work. Anything work. The cameras is okay, but the remote does not working at all. Not working. Frustrated.